We are so excited to share this recipe for homemade gnocchi. It's incredible. These gnocchi are like light, fluffy pillows that are perfect for tossing in your favorite sauce or browning in some butter.
Do yourself a favor and save this one. Trust us.
Cook the potatoes first. Use russet potatoes. We peel, cut, and steam them. Steaming prevents them from absorbing too much water. When fork tender, push them through a food mill or potato ricer. Don't have one? We've added tips to our recipe for using a fork instead. To the potatoes, we want to add a teaspoon of fine salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 large egg, and 1 egg yolk. Mix all of that until combined, then toss in flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. Mix until a crumbly dough forms, then put down your spoon and use your hands to press the flour into the dough right in the bowl. After a minute or two, it will look like this, smooth and not sticky. Shape the dough into a rectangle and cut into 8 equal-ish pieces. Keep one in front of you and move the rest to the side covered with a dish towel. Roll into a long snake about a ½ inch in diameter, then cut into small dumplings. You can cook them now, in fact I often do, or use a gnocchi board to make little grooves and dimples which help sauce stick to them. Using your thumb, push the dough down into the grooves while rolling forward all the way off the board. It takes a little practice, but you will get it. And remember, it isn't required to use the board. Now cook in simmering water. When they float, cook for 1 to 2 minutes and remove them with a slotted spoon. Place them straight into warm sauce or saute them in a skillet with butter until toasty and golden. And that's it. Find lots of beginner-friendly tips in the recipe on the blog. Enjoy!